Start your drawing of a tree by drawing the trunk of the tree. Then extend lines outward from the trunk of the tree for the branches. Begin your drawing with light lines. You'll end up drawing over these lines anyway, so draw lightly. Also, draw the tree from the ground up. Think about how the tree grows from the ground up and make your lines reflect this. Continue drawing lines out from the tree branches that you drew in the previous step. Be sure to draw lines that are organic in nature. Don't be stiff with the lines that you draw. Stay loose and continue to draw lightly. Now you can draw the outlines of the outside of the tree. Keep these lines light as well. You are drawing these lines as a guide, not as the finalized outline of the tree. Now you can begin to think about your light source. In the image here, you can see that the light source is coming from the upper left-hand corner. This means that the shadowed side will be on the right side of the drawing. You are going to be drawing the texture of the tree here so you can make the lines a little bit darker. Once you have the trunk of the tree drawn, you can begin to add the leaves. Don't draw every leaf of the tree, instead draw the texture of the leaves. Observe the texture that is created by the trees from a distance. Then try to create this texture with your pencil. Draw the areas that are dark and leave the areas that are lighter alone. There you go. Once you're finished, your tree should look something like this. Remember, don't get obsessed with the details of the leaves. Just try to create the texture of the leaves and think about your light source and you can't go wrong. For more instruction on step-by-step drawing, visit howtodrawstuff.com.